Hello lovelies, today's video is part of Pink Winter Christmas Decor Challenge hosted by some of my lovely friends, Antoinette from Antoinette Decorating, Sule from My Style, My Colors, and the lovely Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY. Please check my description box for the links to all their channels and tell them Miss Leenys sent you. In today's tablescape, I would like to share a DIY that I used for my centerpiece. I got this beautiful gold reindeer from Target, the dollar spot, and I'm going to get my Mod Podge in the silver glitter, and I'm just going to paint it right behind his head and on his back. And all I'm doing is putting a generous amount so I can add some little sparkles to it. I'm going to add some of these pretty little BBs. I call them little BBs. They're silver and they're gold, and I purchased these at the Dollar Tree. And while that Mod Podge is still setting, I'm just going to sprinkle them right on top, and where they stick is where they stick. If you need to add more Mod Podge, go for it to make them stick even more. I just kept doing that so I get a good amount, and I can have them where when it dries, they're not going to go anywhere. I kept doing this process until my eyes were smiling and my heart was singing, and I was really happy with what it looked like. So I wanted to have more of a shabby chic glam feel to this, and so I ended up adding some of these ceramic crystal beads that I get from BB Craft. I will leave the link if you are interested in my description box for you. These are absolutely gorgeous and they sparkle so lovely. So now I'm going to use some of this beautiful iridescent pink ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. Also, it has a backing that you can peel and it sticks, but I wanted to leave that on, and I just used a dab of glue and closed it when I crisscrossed it around his neck. Kind of looks like a really beautiful ribbon scarf. This here I got from Totally Dazzled. I love using their bling. Absolutely gorgeous and stunning. Nice, nice, nice. I'm telling you, never disappointed. I will leave their link also in my description box for you. And I just added that right there in the center of that ribbon. Now I'm going to set him aside and let him dry. I am so pleased with the way this tablescape turned out. So elegant, soft, all on a budget, beautiful elegance. In the center is that large, beautiful pink tree. It's made out of glass. I purchased that at Marshall's for $12.99. It is open on the bottom, so I did add fairy lights, and it gives it that really beautiful glow from the inside. It just makes that pink just pop. The small pink trees came from Target and the dollar spot, along with that really cute ceramic vase. I added a little white rose and some greenery and a little bit of pine just to give it that Christmas feel. The ornament came from Walmart, and that beautiful glass right there was from OfferUp. I love that the design reminds me of a beautiful pink snowflake. The wine glasses are a blush pink with a clear stem. I think it gives it such an elegant, soft look. That deer is absolutely gorgeous. My eyes are smiling and my heart is singing because I am so in love with the way that deer turned out. Very stunning, fits perfectly with this tablescape. My plates are beautiful. They came from OfferUp, and they're white pink with a beautiful gold trim around them. The chargers came from Hobby Lobby and the placemats were thrifted. I love the way that ornament looks on this tray. It just stands out all on its own. That burgundy against that pink and gold and touches of cream ivories. So beautiful. The coffee pot was also thrifted, and I just DIY'd with some beautiful little touches of, I don't know, crafty Leeny love to it. I added a doily and some flowers, some beautiful ribbon, a lovely key, and I just wanted to have that shabby chic feel to it. Now that little deer I got from the 99-cent store, and I just DIY'd it. I wanted it to have some elegance, and I just think it came out so lovely with the beautiful pink rhinestone flowers and glitters and the gold. I added a pink ribbon and pearls with a little flower, painted his antlers. I will be sharing that DIY on the Crafty Leeny channel. If you enjoy DIYs, I will leave that link to my other channel in my description box, so you can visit me there. Now for napkin rings, I used these beautiful bell ornaments that I got from the 99-cent only store. I added some cute little rosettes, they're little satin flowers, and some pearls from the Dollar Tree. And I just added them to the top. I put the napkin through the hoop where you would hang your ornament on a tree. And I felt, my guest can take something home from their setting for a nice keepsake. The napkins and tablecloth came from Target. Absolutely gorgeous. They're very soft. And I love the color that it was like a cream with touches of gold. Went perfect with what my setting was for. I wanted it a shabby chic, beautiful glam feel. It wrinkles, I must say, very easily. It is kind of a gauze material, but it's very lightweight. And it's, I don't know, to me, I was just very pleased with the way it felt and looked with my tablescape. Well, I hope you enjoyed my pink Christmas tablescape. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really love for you to be part of my Leenys World family. It was my pleasure decorating with you today. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes. Be kind to yourself and others. I'll see you in my next video.